Eze Moze kenekwa m Ijele apụtago tinye mkpu n'oko no sị na ndị amị agbagapụna ha na ihe ndị amị na-eme ha adịrọ mma na ha tara afụfụ mụọ anya abalị mụwe ogwe mmiri asaa ogwu na asaa wee lụọ ụlọ ha lụ mana ọ dị ka ndị amị abịaghị ebe take the glory and also abandoning them for the job ha lụrụ alụ n'ọnwa ka o si ka o mee vidiyo wee takụlọ ndị Nigerian Army and other military personnel na onye this video ka ọ dị
So as I just find this morning. My people, I greet all of you. I salute you all. Thank you for joining me this wonderful morning. We've come again this morning. I know today is Monday. Most of you are already at work. But you are going to watch the video later. Please, guys, thumbs it up and share the video. For those of you that are asking, please, I'm very fine. As you can see, today is 2nd of March, Abi, 2026. Today na 2nd, Abi. Make everybody they calm down. You did not start hearing all this their rubbish propaganda today. Ukoma Nanyaruma, I see you, my brother. Umutobo must always behave like Umutobo. If not, we wouldn't be calling them Umutobo. Unumanatonda bobucharanda no. Umokoko that couldn't even stand the heat. Ndobo also. People where they run. And then one come they talk, say them catch their papa. I wish. I pray make them even they near where me I dey. Like make them day like 20 feet close. I pray. People who know they stand. Ibrahim Sani, I see you. Kenechuku, Anadozie, you did there. You know, our people, Jackson, Ilechuku. My dear me, when I come back to my base, I let on know now. So don't be listening to all these cowards, all these cowardly bastards, and the rubbish they are vomiting. What else do they have if not propaganda and lies? What else do they have? Umubingo, do you want me back there? Do you want me to come back? Okay, I'm coming back again. I'm coming back. Just make sure you are standing. So I even come the do video inside on a camp. Even where on a day they do video. Waiting be name Vampire. The place where they do TikTok video. Now I come they do my own video. So I know just understand all this on a insult when they insult on herself. Because won't go specialist where would they call on and waiting on a be. Yes, how you go to disgrace yourself? Say you don't capture your father. Capture who? Capture who? Say you ambush on a papa ona where they run. Ndo bosso. Now exercise I need to do because I know say na run on the run make myself get stamina. Ogo other go ne bosso. Aka mba una aka also. Aka mba una aka anadi. No worry. No worry. They captured their father where? Where? With waiting. Una one pair. Umutobo. Useless. They know they stand. All these people, you don't know them. They no go ever stand. Wait, make I even put their picture, one of their pictures. Wait, make I show now. We mount camera, they watch them now. Umokoko. Oh, you know this phone, now the other phone is there. Now the other phone the thing there. Now the other phone. But you go see am for this page. Where they carry even their Obunigwe for head. Also, the refugee. They run like refugees. Eh? Then they run like refugees as they carry their Obunigwe pipe for head. Both the women, both the... See, now let me even begin this program with my criticism of the garrison commander of the 34 Artillery Obinins. Oga Commander, please, we have our traditional laws. Nsim, I see you, my brother. Okay? We have our traditional laws and we are handling this thing the traditional way. Please, Oga, your job is to clear these people's camp. Anyone we capture alive belong to us. I beg. We are judging them by the laws of Amadioha. Please allow us do our job, do your job, and let us do our own job. No be them go catch people, they never design them. You go come they talk, say, no, leave him, let him go. Leave him for what? Are you not aware of how they are buying people and butchering them? And we go catch them. You go say, law, this law, that. Please, allow our boys to do their job. And men on ground, the real men on ground, not the men on the road. Not be athletics runners. Eastern Sprinters Network. Eastern Sprinters Network. The real men on ground. If you wanna catch them, no, they let this commander they know. Please. Please. They go bring them, they go resemble spring chicken. Pane beat like tossa no mwado kapas moto. You see how they as they tear people vehicle as pass. Tear them as pass. Please. We don't need this long story. Oh, leave them. You need to follow law. Oga Commander, beg, do your job and let us do our own job. Allow us exert our revenge any way we see fit. By any means necessary, everybody must pay for what they did. Like, I no one know the politician where you they rely on. Unless my hand no catch you. Unless we no catch you. Na total recycling. No be all these ones where na the price go to £1.10 with the government forces. See, if we catch you, if we this will not be you, in fact, the army will be the kindest treatment you will get. The army, you see those of honor where they send, where they go, they draw that wire. Shebi they hear the sound of that thing where they sound for bush. They sound like that nonsense. So na carry say na gun. Like, have you ever heard anything like it? Shebi you see say una no carry PKT. Shebi don't say una no get gun. Run and leave that bush. Are you hearing me? Run and Butuzo will not stand and fight you. Gentle will not stand and fight you. I person will not stand and fight. Now you then go send. Then go they call you Commander General. Your head go they swear, but now you go collect. Very soon, that I don't know what. Now this is my message to the Nigerian Army. We don't know the job of all these army people in Ihiala LGA, Lilu, Osumohu, and Iseke. All these places have army FOBs, yet these boys are passing through there. Who is confusing who? Who is fooling who? The defense headquarters, the NSA, the DIA, all the responsible agencies should begin a thorough investigation. Hear from the community people directly. Let them tell you what they are seeing with their own eyes. Okay? Let the army explain to us why they will be leaving these ragtags to be passing through them. Those of them going through Asia are passing through between two army FOBs. Who is doing this? How far does the conspiracy go? Why is Callistus or Chiara still walking around Osumoru? Meanwhile, there is an army checkpoint in front of St. Mary's. We cleared that place of IEDs. Let me say this. Maybe I shouldn't be saying this openly, but I have to say it because I need to inform my people. This message, and although for Igbo land, we say nobody send anybody message, but all the people concerned about the end of insecurity in Ali Igbo should have this information. I am not here to attack the army. I have so much respect for the military, but when we are seeing things that are not going right, we must call it out. Who signed that agreement that these people are not attacking this ESN in Osumoru, in Lilu? They can't access Asia without Osumoru. Why is Callistus or Chiara still patrolling that community? Why are people still afraid of Callistus or Chiara? This is like, there is no rocket science to this. The solution to this is ever present. And we are not going to keep quiet. We will tell the truth. We will not fear anybody, civilian or military. We will scream this from the top of our voice. We don't want to carry a protest to the army headquarters because it will not be pretty. We in the Igbo are going to carry out a protest in front of the army headquarters. If you people will arrest us, we wouldn't care. But you will explain to us why your personnel can't keep the Osumohu axis of that Osumohu road open. Why they can't link Lilu to Osuhitokwa. All the places we cleared, they've mined it again. We put cameras there. We are seeing them. And Osumohu, army in Osumohu, are not doing their job. What are they doing there? That valley, let me tell you people, the photos and videos you saw them sharing, we went into the valley. See, I'm not trying to, of course, I'm not leaking any operational secret. I'm not leaking any operational secret. I told our own garrison commander, 34 Artillery Brigade, I told them, you see these Anambra people, they will come to that valley, but that will be after we've gone into it. Just watch. Like clockworks. Immediately we entered, it was that our brother, that group, there wasn't our group, and they would have been there. I just went in, all of a sudden, one Ora Budumo. But immediately they told me that they've entered there. I went straight to that place, just that I went as far as the vehicle could carry me. But immediately, next thing I saw their vehicle going there. How come the army that should be the backbone of the operation in Anambra State are leaving the job for this man past man and his people? You see all those people that, those man past man group, these people, they deserve every credit. They deserve every credit they are getting. If you link those people with this army in no brings, remove The Osumohu army, in fact, the entire Ihiala, all the military people stationed there are a net minus, just like the army people stationed in Okigwe, because I don't know what Gentle will be doing inside Aku. They've now created a new camp there and told the people not to cross. What are they waiting for? We need a thorough investigation. It is obvious that the both governors of Imo and Anambra are pumping big money into this security. So if they actually didn't want to fight insecurity, why would they be spending that money? Or are some people there trying to prolong this on purpose while our people's lives are cut short? This is what I witnessed with my own eyes. Nobody is telling me. This is what I'm witnessing. Right now, we lost 3 tires because Osumohu people could not keep it open. Yes, I will say it. It is thanks to the exemplary leadership of the garrison commander, I will keep mentioning it, and the brigade commander of 34 artillery, that we've not recorded one single death. Not one. Forget all this nonsense they are spreading. Imagine if we had a formidable force that would block these people off at Osumohu. Where would they go to? Where would they go to? Rig the entire expressway linking to Okijo Femiri with policemen, crack teams. Line them up. Let's see where these people will escape to. They won't. Okay? We know what is going on in our land and we will continue to expose it. War. Person will know like am. Now your business. We will tell the truth. You are putting the life of every single member of the JTF at risk by not acting. Every single person there on alert. That Odumeje place. Back of that Odumeje is Anambra. But Imo people did that job. Let's say the truth. Sometimes when I read their sit rep, I just laugh. What's this nonsense? What's this joke? What's this trick? No wonder these guys are making noise. They know because Naju, na one the carpenter no anya. All these carpenters that are reading Alibo, waiting they give them moral because he show me that say they no fit stand me, let alone government. They no fit stand me. Ndi Igbo have enough men that if they join forces together, look around you. Is there any part of Alibo that you don't have people that behave like me? And you are telling me that if you merge that force together, maybe Man Pass Man and these guys from there, Umuaza Guleri and co, then Iptanimo State, he made no call. Many of guys say for not China, Europe, Nasata, Okwa and the carpenter boso. In the carpenter, that also. And we will be there. And I go for every year. Do you want to turn us to the north? Those of you that want to be pampered, as you say they are pampering terrorists in the north, please move to that side. We will never allow terrorism on our soil. If Allen Onyema, Chineke ga-abụgo ọnụ. Allen Onyema, it no go better for you. Oh, your solution is amnesty for people that buy their own people. And you are saying, no, did they stop? No. Did you disarm them? No. So what's the sense of that amnesty? What's the sense of that amnesty? Anybody mentioning that is the #1 enemy of Ndi. I don't care who the person is. Also kwa buru nwanne m ka m wete n'iwe ba mma agbogbu gị. Okay? This one said there is nothing and come on what for the coral nonsense here poison. Because government keep quiet for now. Come on, get out of here. Remain there, remain in that camp. I guarantee you will go down. Remain there. You see those army people where they look on I go see different army very soon. It's our next target. They should withdraw every single soldier in here like LGA. Withdraw all of them. If go they be here, like watch them, all of them carpenter, gentle, failed carpenter, only 6 months in Aba. Butuzo, carpenter. Owaha, nkana uwam, or one ke hobuwam, esohum. Owaha carpenter. Eye pencil, keke mechanic. Na biazi nye ndi eji obodo Igbo mara condition. Na binye ndị eji ije obodo Igbo mego travel, kore international, call local. Because in high condition, no I get be na Igbo. Thought na ga gbogbo unu niile. If you don't run, ị ga-anwụ. Ị ga-anwụ. Let me block one ozu. Ịgba house, ị ga-anwụ. Thank you. If you want to be pampered, go to that place. You say they are pampering terrorists. We are not in the business of pampering any terrorist. There shall be no amnesty and no. For a day here for Iseke, they say they build house for some of them. Tonda bobuchaku nunine. Tonda puna gadu kwanga banuna. After kunu watu nondi mwadoko, abia tonda wadi chaku nunine ishi. Ọkwanụ ndị unu gbara unu ọkụ n'Afri. Onye mwe ọkụ na be gị ifuru ndị bụ unu niile ifuru nọ nso na support ya. Mwe ọkụ na nke onye ọbụla. Because they cannot do without those people's participation. This is the only way to solve this issue. Ihe ọzọ na-akọkwa bụ rubbish. Where are the church leaders? Where are the church leaders? Go to St. Mary's or Sumohu. You go even see bones. Go to the back of that church self. No be that front way they. The back. Go see people bones full there. Let one bishop go and host mass in Osumohu. They will not because they know exactly what's going on. But because it's not Fulani, they will keep quiet. And you are when someone is exposing them, why do you hate the church? Why do you hate my religion? You see, if you go in sense, they've gotten you to support evil. You don't owe them any loyalty. If they can't be loyal to you, to fight for you, if the whole bishops in Alibo come today and tell President Tinubu that you hate us, let me block this fool. That you hate us. And use the same energy they are using in calling for the release of the Ekpedimanna and the Kanu. Believe me, ona go see fire. Ona go see fire. But all of them, they will not do it. Oh, our children bukwegi. Children are buo your full family. Every single person. This thing. Oh, you people believe that you have established yourself as the powers that be in an Igbo. My family again. It will not happen. The only people who survive are also. And also in Aba, ya bro no the nwe ho onye notice ni no ebe di otu a. I got work now when Nigeria nine. I got work here Ijele green passport. That as a Nigerian, we can reach you anywhere you are within this country. And every day we'll be repeating one story. These people, ndị ọkada na ndị kapịnta, ndị keke, isi na body tune niile. Somebody say, any reason you are blocking people who critique? No, I can never block you for criticizing me. It's when you come here to type rubbish, I remove you immediately, because we are not in the business of tolerating touts. Okay? We are not here, we are not in the business of wasting energy on fools. You are either qualified to be here or you are not. We are not gathering crowd here. If your parents did not train you well, we will not waste our time trying to train you. Like if you no get sense. If you no get sense, here no be for you. Let me block another fool. Very useless set of people. How are we going to sit down and let this happen? Eh? How are we going, like, this is how we be living? Eh? This is how we be living? Really? So now Ghana wasn't getting man. Of all the intelligent people, intellectuals, businessmen, industrialists in Osumohu, all Kalistu Soche Agane Kuyenemen, Thunder Body Chaku Nishi. Thunder Body Chaku Nishi. You are mad if you think we will succumb to this type of criminals. Go and check the type of people they fixed everywhere. No, so is they still denying that they did not want to steal the Umuoparomume land? Ndumunoha, am I making this up? Eh? Ndumunoha, am I making this thing up? Did I make this story up? Emmanuel Kanu, true or false, he tried to steal. Guys, make an answer call. My people, I'm sorry. One Oga called me now. He said that one big Oga called and say, is it true that Ijele? My dear, this big go, they no get shame. Now ask yourself, if they can lie to you about me where they say na nobody, how much more the beer fraud where they promise you? How much more every other thing else they've been telling you? What does that tell you about their character? What does that tell you about the nature of the people that have been fooling you since 2012? What does that tell you about them? You see why you shouldn't be taking these people seriously. To understand them, start looking at them as a bunch of criminals, and everything they are doing will begin to make sense. Have you forgotten the days of Jubri al-Sudan? Have you forgotten how many times? Are you still keeping record of how many lies they've told you? And these are on existential issues, on matters of life and death. And they are doing this to you. Why should any reasonable person take these people seriously? Let's say there is a war coming against Ndibo or Butuzo. Like, how weak are you that you are expecting a carpenter like Butuzo defend you? Are you that weak? Are you that weak? Hunchback like Nnamdi Kanu that will be exempted from any war is the one leading you to a war? Are you mad? See his brother Emmanuel Kanu. You are his business. All of them, have you seen the war amongst them right now? This has to be punished. This only ọbụla ga-apụtara a ga-ekwu this thing. Enwe nke mere epụta na-ekwu ya. Enwe nke mere na-agwa gị ya. This nonsense, oh, you hate Igbo. It will not, as you can see, it doesn't work anymore. As you can see, it doesn't work anymore because people know exactly what's going on. I know the number of calls I've been receiving from people. In fact, there are so many people I need to get back to. But because I have my issues to deal with, I'm just keeping many of them in the cooler. I don't want the whole thing to kind of mix up. Don't give people saying I carry chic. I know one carry chic. And you people, man, you need to go to Osu and see for yourself. If you notice, I've not started showing you the heads, skulls. You see around that Odumeje house. If Odumeje knows what's good for him, he should level those buildings, both his own and his father's building, and pack out from that place. The evil that happened there, Odiro Barakwa food there. Tear. Some of those things you see in that food they are cooking in that place. I mean, a human being meat, then they roast there. Then they even roast their own members. Those of you from ESN, where is that guy called Ikenga? Where is that guy called Ikenga? The ESN guy, the muscular one called Ikenga. Where is he today? They ate him. They ate him. Butuzo told the one to buy him. They bought him and ate him in their camp. If you hear stories, you see those of them that just surrendered from that camp. When they sit you down and tell you what they saw there, you will cry, you will weep, as strong as you think you are. When you are listening to it directly from the people involved, it will break your heart. I lost my humanity when I went there. I lost my humanity. You see a house, a poor person's house, and you be like, this person was just managing his or her life. This person, if you look at that house, this old model house, they couldn't even modernize it. You see that these people were suffering before they said, what do you think their condition will be now? If you go within me, this is why I say, like, yes, he came from Amanachi. Prince Jagaban Neji, that one name okay. You know, my heart, I feel like, can they remove this garrison commander far from us when we catch any of these people? Because he would want to live there, be petting them. But when you look at these communities and what went on, and what is still going to go on, every single person from Osu Itukwa, especially if you are from Itukwa and Oda, if you love your life, you must use a bulldozer to go around your house. These people have laid IEDs everywhere there. They've laid IEDs in people's homes. You see this number 1 mango, where you Benin people they call Opioro mango. You will see it bunch. You know how it bears fruit. You will see fruit everywhere, but fear no go let you. Fear no go let you enter go pluck one. IED bogus in Ijele mango. Yes, many fruits would waste. Because nobody would want to risk his life going to pluck fruit. The blessing of nature is now a curse. Even ihe bụ ngozi ga-emecha bụrụ ha nkọcha. Nezie number 1 mango juru everywhere, also a curse. Or isi na ọka ịba n'ime ọya jeje chọọ ọkụkọ ị na-enwu dị magonu ụmụ ọkọ village a na-atọcha ụtọ. At least magonu na ha na-eri ihe natural thing and ihe abụ agha ihe ọbụla efuru bụ nni. Fear no go let you pursue chicken wey you go pursue chicken. Go pursue chicken. IED go just blast your face. I dey tell you wetin I use my eye see, no be them say. Those of una wey contribute money to Nnamdi Kanu, it shall never be well with you and your children, except you confess your sins and repent from them. Ọ mịchara dị kwupụta njọ gị niile, ị ga-anwụ. Aka na-ekwu okwu nke iseke. Aka na-aka akụkọ iseke. All the communities connected to that valley, go and check. Oh, you are saying your palm trees are wasting. See, you see opposite that Odumeje house. One of those upstairs there. When you go there, these people don't harvest people palm fruit, pack and then they sell out. Palm fruit, you get $500,000. Kanda jeje pack ya, na resin kumadu na aka ha. Yes. They don't harvest people palm fruit finish. You know, say our place, you get, of course, there are palm trees everywhere, but you get where they concentrate past. All those kind of places, they know they put IED because then they harvest the palm fruit. Yes. Opposite to the major house. And I know those things are happening in other houses. They still occupy. But I they give you, wait till you go now. Opposite to the major house. Then they use and they pack people palm fruit. Now, if you carry motor go there, you go pack palm fruit, which means it's a steady business for them. It's a steady business for them. You know, for these bingos to open their mouth and say that they captured their father, For that, I'm going back. My people, should I go back? Okay, should I go back? Should I go back? Because I have many things to cover. We've not covered the economic criminality going on, economic sabotage, deliberate economic sabotage. You said they are doing it, selling people's palm fruit in Iseke. Or sumo who can happen. Or sumo who can happen. And if they thief your property, go Asia. Anytime where you dey look for your property, go to Asia. Don't worry, the yes vote, the yes has it. I will go back. I come fugo di iya hunu sunu chorime. Biakwa na me again. Foolish people. No, we need to go. No. I want to go and show you. Who else will show you? Nobody. Oboho manwa onyegi. Ndoshi. You say you didn't get to the pit where they threw 3 days for the major house now. If they talk say we no get the pit full everywhere. Go reach inside that valley. Now from outside the pit begin there now. You say no sonkwase.com. 3 days for near Odumeje, that vicinity of that Odumeje place. Yes. Skulls. Human skull, nothing where they use and do there. I dey tell you. I go lie for you. Go there, see for yourself. Now, because network no dey, na live video are for the show on all those things. Na live video are for the show on all those things. But you know what happened? These people dismantle a full mast. There is no mast in Osun Utokwa. There is no mast in Osumohu right now. Right now. You know when they say, oh, that mast for Osumohu. If you didn't know there was a mast there before, go there now, you will not see anything. They don't sell everything. The generator, the satellite connector, connectivity equipment, all. The iron, where they stand the mast, they pull them. They even cut some of them, use and they build their IEDs. They build their IEDs. These people, when it's all said and done, ndị Igbo ga-enenecha anya gwọ n'ubugbo aka bụkwa asọ. Ijele, do you know that Ape's house is just a stone throw from the LG secretariat that woman? Of course now. Of course. Brain Jota own self dey near Odumeje own. You know far from Odumeje own. Brain Jota. Na endorse. Unu nwekwe ndị mmadụ na social media ma egwe dị nke bara uru wọdachi ya. Onwe dị nke bara uru wonna ya. Let's contribute money to buy Starlink. If una go buy the Starlink, I go happy. Because if to say I carry Starlink, I go to show on everything live. Live, you go to see them. If una bring Starlink, I go happy. And then with them, of course. 2 masts we have in Iseke, they sold everything. Yes, oh, anything that can be moved, they've moved it. Anything that can move. Roof. I pity you, make it be say you use aluminium build your roof. You either pay them for that your roof or then go lose and go sell it. See, I'm not targeting Ebonyi people per se, but if Roma Abakeleke Ejeje Chikotacha would decide there, please, I'm not saying that Ebonyi people don't work hard. No, Ebonyi people work hard. They are hardworking people, one of the hardest working people. But that should not make us deny the reality that they are the ones they are using. You say, how much is Starlink? I don't know how much they are selling Starlink in Nigeria. Anybody, hey, let me call Ebioroto. See if my brother ain't go say for how long me and I never talk. I go ask him how much they sell Starlink self. Let me call him and see how far. Okay, his number must be on now. Let me call him and ask him. Hello, Baba Monsa. How are they, my brother? How your own side? I beg go, you get waiting. I be one inquire from you. Wait, how much did they sell Starlink for Nigeria? Okay, tell me buy 500. Help me check first, I beg. Ah, okay, bro. Okay, okay. Thank you. He saying go check. He say when he do his own 500. Now no say anything communication, the price no they go up now down they come. Somebody say should be 850k. Really? It's about 980,000, almost a million. Make we hear first. Because that one now you go they use they beam everything live. Make you use your ear, they hear how this thing they sound. You go see the risk. You know, those of on away go there, they insult other people tribe. You see that army people where they there, Fulani man they there, they risk in life to save your community. Hausa man they there, they risk in life to save your community. Yoruba man they there, they risk in life to save your community. Middle belt man, people full there, they risk their lives to save your community. But and these people now people will come from ordinary people household like you, but you go there online, they insult them, they make their job difficult. What does that say about your character? What does that say about your character? Tell me. You say, is there any platform for people to call? Let me confirm the money first. Ijele, come to a dental. No, see the problem with that are with the many people. When this also fight starts, majority of the people will carry this thing for head now. Also, he took people, especially he took and older. Now, immediately when they don't clear on our side, clear certain places, all the people for that side go keep quiet. Go keep quiet. All the people keep quiet. Now, a denta don't happen. He did like that now. And do you think that anybody would step outside with one equipment except the entire Itukwa and Oda has been completely cleared? The answer is no. The answer is no, it will not happen. The answer is a capital no. We are going to make sure this goes home. One day, Jeremiah Buhozi. Somebody say small spirit go the wine do the for a copper. Wala you go wine am. You go to wine am. One day Jeremiah Buhozi o. Ndị Osumohu, ndị Iseke, ndị Lilu. Jeremiah Buhozi, if you people don't come out and let us scream to the army headquarters, they will not withdraw all those men in Ijele, and what is happening will continue to happen. Okay? One standing. Okay? Now you go save your land. Now it's up to you. So it's up to you, my people. If you don't save your place, nobody will save it for you. Mind you, any other person will fight like a mercenary. Yes, a mercenary is a mercenary. A homeowner is a homeowner. A knight is a knight. A knight is a knight. A knight will go down with the king and the kingdom. But a mercenary, he can even sell his allegiance. Is there a plan for me to occupy that valley? Of course, not just the military. Not just the military that will occupy the valley. Let them forget it. Oh. Let them forget it. Thinking they will come back there. there. Travel to Udele now. 4 years I went to my village. It depends on the part of Udele you are from. Yes, Udele is safe now. But don't move anyhow. They've not cleared all the places of IEDs. You can go back. Of course, when you go, you will see with your own eyes. Just that fear did not let any of your own people come back. Okay? When you want to go, if you are afraid, you can give me a call. I will send you to where you will be cleared. At least let them not think you are from all this bush. Of course, when you look neat, they know you are not from the bush. You need to see how tattered these fools are looking. They don't even put on shoes. Because they told them that if you know they wear shoes, juju go make you, then they go catch you. Meanwhile, it's just for them not to be making noise on the grass when they are walking. Ntuna mapugodu go up by your business. Somebody said, Ijele needs to be behind bars. No, the nature is already putting him behind bars. He had put him in, by the way. No be stainless do the parents' funeral the other day. Ijele has not done his. So this is what people. Let me block one also. Umokoko ewu you go na fake account you go dey use now. Ewu. We Iseke Iseke have lost hope because Peace Allen Onyema never given them part of our place as busy. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Oh, okay, they've given them part of your place in a peace deal. Nezenunu akwe for Allen Onyema anu Okay, the Starlink, this person say 486,000. Those of on we pay 900 now. I know waiting on 486K. Let's be going first. You know they see Allen Onyema. What this person is saying, how true it is, I don't know. But I am judging him by what I heard. He even told his people not to make mention of what these people did. So who is he working for? Whose interest is he defending? Ndị gburu ụmụnne ha? Eke ụtụtụ will soon be cleared. Ofurebu, are you not a man? You can go there too. Hey. So, my wonderful people, we have dropped the information. We will keep telling the truth, no matter whose ox is God. All right. We will keep exposing everything exposable. Nothing should be off limits, and no one or no institution is beyond it, because we must save our land. We must fix our place. All right? We must fix our place. Our place must return back to normal. Imagine this Abuja in this hot weather. When all the while I was in the southeast, believe me, even though it was a war front, but I was more comfortable. You go to see palm trees. Breeze go to blow you. Nothing like sun they disturb you. You just go under the trees. Good environment. Do you know how many mkpụrụ bunks we found there? If you see the Rizla where they use double portion. Double portion. Rizla had the Southeast governors should please ban the sale of giant Rizla from the Southeast. At least only the quantity she gave. I mean it. Esim na ihe mmadụ ibe gị ji eke ihe ọ na-ese. Ka ebe ọ dị. Let me show you. See the size of this lawe they use. See the size of this lawe they use. See am. Next size is under the KJ neko. See normal size here. They go to Nigeria. See these two things. See them. See them. Make sure you see them. Ladies like be how no banana use. Name can use in a Southeast. Neko. Double. Double. Any dairy ban here. They should ban Ijele. Not just Imo State, Anambra. Somebody say Nonso went is calling your family. My brother, see, let me tell you, my family is not a useless family like Nonso Nkwa's family, and I came from a known home, you understand? So let him be jumping up and down. He knows say if I remember, he no go take me anywhere, make I just no they worry yourself. All this you know say even from my maternal home, you get one of them will be commander for their community. Even in God knows I go wipe your family within 2 minutes. So me I no be who then they play that play with. No be any place where idiot from talk. You go to worry yourself. Na serious wahala. Na serious wahala. Ijele mucha. And many of them go still they join Rizla, join 2 Rizla tie. Emeche moye mo. Ese taza teba bena akohiri. After chasing them out of Osu. Of course, many of them are in Anambra now. They end up in Eden Tower, even though the Special Forces camp is situated there. They aren't doing anything to help also. fish out the informants too. They are the architects of the insecurity. Okay, you from Edenta, inbox me, because you are not the first person that said it. Anyway, we've carried out some operations there, but by the time we came, they ran away. I don't know if you heard about the story. Then they caught some boys. We had in the... Okay, no be that one, no be even that place. Now I'm in here. Don't worry, then tower will be taken care of. Okay? It will be taken care of. The military will occupy the valley. Of course they will. So my wonderful people, thank you so much for being a part of the program this morning. Once again, no be AI. No be AI. You know, say Umu Tobo, Umu Koko. They will always spread false news. That's the only thing they have going for them. The instant sprinters network. So na cry, they cry. Okay? They cry, they cry. Their own now to do propaganda. And no say they're stupid. These are useless people. Just that it's shameful. Our people went and took them seriously and allowed them to destroy our place. But we go treat every fuck up. You say, which size would you do? No normal size now. No normal size here. Well done. Some say you were ambushed. My brother, no be me dey here. Now all these ones where they sprint. All these ones where they run, where carry their woody pipe for head. Now he go ambush you. These ones, they do ambush. Them no say they no go last 3 minutes in combat. Umu Tobo. Thank you, my people. I beg. We'll see you later in the day.